In today's cloud-first world, enterprises face challenges managing data governance due to fragmented access controls, compliance risks, and lack of end-to-end visibility. With Eucloid's Unity Catalog Command Center, experience simplified governance, strengthened compliance, and accelerated data access across Databricks. With Unity Catalog Command Center, enterprises get a single-pane view of all assets, automated access controls, real-time monitoring, and built-in compliance enforcement, all designed to scale with your data workloads. This ensures faster onboarding, lower compliance risks, seamless governance across large teams, and transparent visibility into how data is accessed and used. Backed by Eucloid's deep Databricks expertise and purpose-built integrations, Unity Catalog Command Center is designed to help enterprises move from fragmented governance to a future-ready governance framework. With Unity Catalog Command Center, governance becomes simple, scalable, and secure. Eucloid helps you take command of your data. Reach out to us to learn more.